Hey, so welcome back to another Young Blooms tutorial. Hope you enjoyed the last tutorial that I did about arranging flowers just in the little urn. This week I am looking at preserving beech leaves. Opposite our house there's probably 3 or 4 really large beech trees which got pruned this week, and I went and asked the guys who were giving them a haircut if I could use some of the offcuts, and they were very pleased because that meant they didn't have to send all of them through their chipping machine. Anyway, I have said beech leaves and bought myself some glycerine. So I think preserving it seems to be quite straightforward. All you do is put boiling water and glycerin in a jug, and you put the stems in, leave them for a couple of hours, and that's essentially all that you need to do. So I'm going to talk you through how the process is going to work. So I have my glycerin here, a bottle which I got from a local pharmacy. For us cost £1.99 I think. It's quite syrupy sort of material. Essentially the instructions are that you do 2 parts boiling water, which I have here, to 1 part glycerin. So this is 400 millilitres of boiling water to 200 millilitres of glycerin. And essentially all you're going to do is pour in your boiling water, then you're going to add the glycerin. You can see very syrupy, kind of thick. I guess it's a sugary type liquid. So liquid is all in, and essentially all you need to do then is to add your branches, and these are just little pieces so you can see what I'm doing. But then all you need to do is leave them for a couple of hours, and then we'll see what the effect is. Okay, so I've put them in a low dish, hot water, boiling water and glycerin. I'm now going to leave them for a couple of hours. Apparently they start changing colour, but I mean I cut these yesterday and it's really interesting actually because quite a few of them started turning their bronzy, sort of lovely bronzy yellow colour. So leave them for a couple of hours, and apparently if you leave them too long the glycerin starts oozing out of the leaves, which is really interesting. So I will come back to these in a couple of hours and see how we're getting on. So I'm now back up in my workshop and it's the day after. I have got all of the beech leaves now. They are in a little urn that I've put here, so I've just literally plonked them in. So they had 3 hours in the glycerine and boiling hot water, and they've kind of, it's really interesting, they've kind of taken on quite a sort of waxy feel to the leaves. They look a bit kind of plumper, which is quite strange. They have changed colour, they've kind of gone the browny goldy colour, as you can see. Some have kept their green. There's definitely some that have kind of not fared so well. They've gone, I think they're all at the back. Oh, here you go, you can see. So you can see, because I took them out of water, because the instructions said take out of water and leave to dry and store in sort of a cool, dark place. So I think 1 or 2, maybe 2 of the branches have gone, and you can see the leaves have curled and they've gone crispy. But apart from that, it's quite successful. So I'm keeping some of these leaves for a garland I'm doing next weekend for a wedding, but I'm also going to have a go at a wreath, door wreath, and just see how it fares and how long they last. So it's a really interesting process, and it's not something I've done before. Quite simple instructions, so 2 parts water to 1 part glycerin. Glycerin was quite easy to get hold of, I just bought it from a pharmacy. So an interesting exercise and just kind of fun to do something different. I hope you've enjoyed it as always, and look forward to seeing you next time.